Hello everyone, welcome to Keyapp YouTube channel, the service that helps your applications to achieve top positions in the search list on Google Play and App Store. And today we are going to discuss organic traffic. Today we are going to discuss the organic traffic and how it can influence your application success. In general, we usually talk about organic traffic a lot on our channel and in our blog, and it is important to understand why this type of traffic is important for any mobile app in Google Play or App Store. So, in general, it is needed to mention that there are two main types of traffic, paid and organic, and it is quite clear that paid traffic is all the users that actually go to your application from the ads, for example, Google ads, Facebook ads. So you as app developer pay for these users. But when we are talking about organic traffic, that means that you do not pay for these users and actually users find your application by their own. So in general, when we are talking about organic traffic, there are two main sources, and the most important source of organic traffic is, of course, search. So when users go to Google Play, App Store, type any search request in the search bar and check the search list so to find the application they are looking for. And the next source is browse or explore different kind of categories, similar apps, and so on. But when we are talking about the division of organic traffic between search and browse explore, it is needed to mention that almost 65% of organic traffic go from the search source. So in general, more and more users are trying to look for some applications, and it is possible to say that in the future this percentage may be even higher. So that's why it is important to work with organic traffic, because firstly, you do not pay for these users, and the only requirement is to work with App Store optimization and to make everything possible to make your application indexed and visible in the search list. About the visibility, of course, we do understand that App Store optimization influences a lot, but you also need to pay attention to some further steps, for example, to keyword promotion. And as we just mentioned, the most part of organic traffic goes from the search, so you need to work with all the possible tools that can actually help you to attract the traffic from the search, so organic traffic. And in our case, of course, it is keyword promotion that can help your application to achieve top positions and actually make your application visible to organic users. If to talk about some statistics, usually when we are talking about App Store, users do not scroll the search list lower than the rank 5, because if you imagine Apple device now and when you put any search request, firstly you see the ad placement, and then you see one more application occupying top 1 for the search request, and of course there is no logic for most users to search the search list deeper. When we are talking about Google Play, there are different devices with different screens, so mostly they do not scroll lower than the rank 10. And of course, in some cases, they can scroll lower, but we do understand that no users will look for the application occupying top 200 or top even 100, so it is extremely important to work with the positions. If you work with kind of new application, you're just going to release the app. It is so important to make everything possible to make the application indexed, so pay a lot of attention to App Store optimization, to text and visual metadata optimization. And if we are talking about some old applications that were already released some time ago, it is needed to follow the ranks all the time with the first step, like you need to gather all the important keywords that actually can bring your application organic traffic, and there are a lot of factors like competitors analysis, store analysis, and so on. And secondly, you need to make sure that you do everything possible to improve the positions. Of course, it is about metadata updates, like new iterations, and it is about keyword promotion that actually can help your application to improve the positions with the aim to get organic traffic from the search.